Hi. Now let's look at this expansion question over here. We have uh, two brackets here that we need to expand, but importantly, we also have another term here that is 2x squared that is going to subtract from this expansion over here. Okay, so the best way to do this is to make sure that we first focus on the expansion over here, and then we need to combine it with the 2x squared. All right, but very importantly, we have to be very mindful of this negative sign here, because this can change the signs of the result of this expansion over here. Okay, so let's get started. So I have 2x squared minus x plus 2x minus 7. In order to make sure that we factor in the effect of this negative sign later on, I'm going to put a bigger square bracket over here to encapsulate this expansion that we're going to do. Okay, so what we have left is 2x squared minus, okay, so let's do the rainbow method. So x multiplied by x, okay, x multiplied by x, and x multiplied by negative 7. So x multiplied by negative 7 plus 2 into x, 2 multiplied by x, okay, add with 2 and negative 7, 2 multiplied by negative 7. Okay, so the next step, we will have 2x squared minus, okay, so the big bracket is still there. So let's do all the multiplication now. X times x, we get x squared. X times negative 7, so positive x multiplied by negative 7 is negative 7x. 2 times x, both are positive, so it's plus 2x. Positive 2 multiplied by negative 7, you get negative 14. Okay, then we need to group the similar terms together based on the power of x. So here we can see that for x we have a negative 7 and plus 2, so these two terms can be combined together. Okay, so that is what we're going to do now. So always remember the big square bracket is still there. So I'm going to have x squared. So negative 7x plus 2x, I get a negative 5x, negative 14. Okay, so right now what we have is that the expansion is complete. So we can now go on to the next step, which is to open up the square bracket here. So negative multiplied by positive x squared, I get negative x squared. Okay, so effectively we are doing another rainbow over here, a rainbow method expansion, except that it is now a single negative 1. So there's actually a negative 1 over here, except that we don't write the 1. So you just imagine that negative 1 multiplied by positive, I get negative x squared. Negative multiplied by negative, I get positive 5x. Okay, and finally negative multiplied by negative, I get positive 14. Okay, and since you have two x squared terms here, we can combine them together to have x squared plus 5x plus 14, and that is the final answer over here. Alright, so I hope you have a good understanding right now how to approach such a question. As I mentioned, please be very careful of the negative sign in front of brackets, because those negative signs will change the signs of the values or the numbers inside the bracket once you open up the bracket. So always be very careful of those negative signs. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.